Hey YouTube, it's Jimmy's Garage. It's been like a week, hasn't been that long. Got a sled. So pretty excited about that. It is a 2009 600 Etec MXZ Renegade. Is what they used to, if you don't believe me. But yeah, I just pulled some stickers off of it. Pretty excited about this unit. Pretty good shape. It's got a 2016 free ride seat. And I'm waiting still for the jog. I am waiting on my seat from MFG, Enjoy Manufacturing. So yeah, check this thing out. 2009 Skidoo MXZ Renegade. It's not a Renegade X. It had Etec stickers on it too. It's not a Etec, it's an Etec. So yeah, pretty cool guy I got it from. He like buys broken sleds, fixes them up and keeps them for his family. And when he gets a newer one, he sells the oldest one in the fleet. So he had just gotten a 2015. He said he has a 2019, 15, couple newer sleds, and this was the oldest in their fleet. It's in pretty good shape. I've checked, the shocks don't even seem to be blown. Yeah, I mean, everything. I mean, it starts right up. It's pretty sweet. Heated grips, he did everything, reverse, electric start. So the odometer says 11,000 miles. It's, he says it's got a fresh motor. You never know, but it runs good. Seems tight. Pretty excited about it. So yeah, waiting on the seat for this guy to come back. The dual seat's getting a custom cover, and that'll be cool for the rest of you guys that have that dual seat, because that'll be a template now if you want a gripper seat cover for it. Got some jog parts for sale on my eBay. Check that out in my link below. Also, the guy gave me a really nice cover for a 2015, but it actually fit. So sweet. You will see some snowmobile content, I guess, now. I need to get one more. I think this one's gonna be my wife's. So I want another one, and I don't want to tow them on an open trailer. I really want to tow them on a, like a clamshell. I don't want them out in the salt or in the Midwest. Been riding some ice. I guess I need to post some videos of riding ice. That's been fun. Just built a wheel last night with my buddy to get ice tire mounted, and his ice tire ended up being no good today. So it was popping tubes because the liner got damaged. But anyways, more content now, or more another range of viewers, I guess, that I'll reel in with the new sled.